Okay, welcome back to my channel Whok. Please subscribe for more video about tip or tutorial. This video I show you about how to create animation in TikTok. The last video I create one, you can see here, and now I'm create one more. So now we go to TikTok. Okay, you can go to add photo. Sorry for noise. Go to add. Okay, 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 okay. Hello. So I'm flip it to front. Now I'm select this to record the video. Okay, wait for, I think okay, 15 seconds. Okay, now I go to sticker, you can see here, and search. Okay, now so it emoji here, and zoom it, zoom. Okay, you can see like this, and add one more sticker, sun. Wait for sun. Okay, choose another one is good, I think. Okay, wait, I think it all this one. Okay, and sorry, oh, okay, sorry. So okay, zoom and pin here. Oh, okay, wait, it, no, back. Okay, why it's so noisy. I'm to add sun again, and here now I'm go to add cloud. Search cloud. You can search cloud. Okay, now I'm wait for it loading. Wait. I choose this one or any. Okay, no, one more. Okay, this one, and zoom in. Okay, like here, you can see. And then next one, go to here and search wall. This one, you can see here. Okay, and move it and zoom and move it. Okay, this like the road. Okay, I move down. Oh, sorry, this one rotate it. Rotate. Okay, rotate Right here. Okay, now the next one I'm create a run. Check one run. This one. Oh, why it's so sorry. I'm remove and change one. Yeah, it's so good. Yeah. Oh wow, man. Okay, it's a stolen, and one is a police run. Police. Oh, it's police no have. I'm sorry. And wait for change. No hash. Okay, now dog. I'm sorry, dog run. Okay, it's no health the same. Okay, oops. Now choose other one. Run with him. The last one, run with him. Okay, Kitty Mouse run. Kitty meow run. Okay, I think it's so nice. Okay, now I'm post it on my TikTok. Okay, select cover. Okay, my style run animation run. Pause. Now wait for it's loading. Okay, now it's so nice. And one more, I need to test something like Chinese New Year. And create one photo, one animation. I need 10 seconds only. Okay, and add the sticker emoji one, the same. Zoom it, zoom. Okay, zoom. And Chinese New Year. I need tiger. Okay, so wait. Tiger. The one tiger is good. Yeah. Okay. okay, tiger, and Chinese New Year. Oh, okay, it is so good. This one, and ang pao here, and this one here. So that I'm check moon, at the moon one. The moon, okay, this moon, I think it goes for Chinese New Year, and Chinese New Year, last one, Chinese, okay, wait, ping, okay, it's so nice, it's not bad, and I need one, okay, this one or this one, I think it's good. Here, okay. Happy Chinese New Year. Okay, Chinese. Happy Chinese New Year. Now I choose this one. Okay, I think it's good. Please comment below this video for your idea about this video. Thank you. I create one post, and now I'm add a sound. Oh wait, and sound voice effect. Okay, I'm check how to voice. No. Cool. Effect. Oh. Okay, I'm create new pop. Chinese New Year original video. Okay, it's so good. Pause. Now wait for it load to upload. Yeah, it's not bad. Can see. Oh, it's so good. Yes. So this video I'm finished this one. Please leave your subscribe below this video and comment below this video for your idea about this video. Thank you for support me. Okay, I think you can support me by subscribe this channel Whok cooler. So I hopefully you can support me. Okay, bye bye. Thank you very much for supporting.